Hello friends, we've already determined that I am not a mechanic. I am also not a machinist. So while I'm waiting on me to build up the gumption to tackle the timing chain on my CJ7, I'm working on some other things like the headlight bezels. I got one broke, trying to find a used one somewhere that's not crazy expensive. Not having much luck there. Going down the road anyway. But one of the things I had problems with was getting one of the headlight bezels off the grill. The little screw, little screw was pretty boogered up. I don't know if you can catch that. But I had heck getting a Phillips head screwdriver in there and getting that out. It was just rounded out so bad from whoever put it in last. And I looked all over my junk, couldn't find a screw that was close enough. So I went into the hardware store today and found these screws that I've got, like this one. The thread pitch matched, the length matched, but the only thing that didn't match was the heads. The heads on those ones from the store are considerably bigger in diameter. And the little hole that they got, the little deal they got to recess into for the headlight bezel, it just wouldn't work. It needed to be that small. So my little feeble brain come up with this idea. I got my little calipers there, little cheapy calipers. I'm not gonna bring my good reloading calipers out here for this job. But anyway, I got it there. That's the original. And then this one is like this one that I got from the hardware store. So this is what I've come up with, and I'm almost there. Got it chucked up in the handy dandy drill press. Get my handy dandy file. Remember to put one of these on your file, safety first, while I'm not wearing eye protection. And I've just been working at it a little bit at a time. Again, not a machinist. But let's see where we're at. All right, that guy goes in there. That guy decidedly will not, by a long shot. So this guy slips right through there pretty easy. Boop, boop, boop. Now what does this dude do? Almost. We're just a little bit off. A little bit off still. So I've got more grinding to do, but we're doggone close, man. Doggone close. This one, I don't know. Can y'all see that? That one's right there. This one's where we need to be. Oh, right there. I'm not even reading this. I'm just seeing if y'all could see that. Probably not. And this one is, man, it's right there. Pretty dadgum close. Anyway, that's my not a machinist video. Y'all have fun out there.